Hi teacher. Today we'll try to show you a way to become in a good professional. Next please. But before of all, I'd like to present us. My partners, Daniel Mateo, Nicolas Pineda, Wilson David, and me, Daniel Ardila. Okay, our main point, our presentation is focused on how to grow and improve in professional life through interdisciplinary interaction with different colleges in large projects. Today, we'll start by defining what is a professional, the definition, followed by the steps to become one. Of course, then we'll talk about the importance of learning between colleges. Finally, we'll mention a problem and important skills that are necessary in today's society. Next one. For a start, I will talk about what is a professional, the definition. Okay, a good definition of a professional will be a professional is a person who develops skills, techniques, and a group of special knowledge to perform a job or an activity efficiently and effectively. Also, a professional doesn't just make things. A professional has the ability to explain why those work things or don't work. To continue, my partner will.
Now I speak. I talk about how to become a professional and the process. The process can be divided in four steps. The first one is knowledge. It's the process that we do actually in our majors, on or in our careers. That can be in university or in an institute or in a school, depends of the area. The last one is the second step is doing. The doing is when you finish that process and you maybe make a job or do an specialization of something. Uh, the three step is helping, try to help and try to teaching everyone of someone. And the last one is learning. All the knowledge that we know can be changed in the future. For that, we need to stay informed and try to stay a constantly learning. Um, Next one, please. Okay, we want to speak about of our main point and for what we chose that. We have a little bit problem maybe with when we start and we try to collaborate with different professionals of different areas, uh, and we uh, we can focus in the same problems. We, the engineers of the group, try to search a problem mathematic or efficiently or something, and um, the other professionals of the social area try to search a social problem. So we don't have a good a good relationship with between us. For that, we decide that's problem because in the process we never see maybe a collage relation between us majors, and for that we chose that problem.
Thanks, Wilson. Next, please. Uh, to recap, being a professional implies having solid knowledge and the ability to apply in the real world. So, what is the problem with colleagues learning? Next, please. The problem is that his colleagues learning isn't done in a respectful and confidential way. Ethical issues can arise. Uh, this can affect the collaboration and professional development it all involved. Okay. Next, please. To solve this, we propose to strengthen and develop specific skills such as critical thinking and communication. In addition, we must promote a culture of collaboration and respect. Now, my colleague Matteo will talk to you in more detail about these skills. Next.
Okay, the specific solution for this problem are increased one and effective communication. Because if you don't, if you can't speak with the other persons, if you can communicate with the other colleagues in the job or in the project, the problems don't can solve. For example, you need change or adapt your communication form to the different disciplines or different persons. Okay, if you need speak the different forms with different persons because an engineer or another person or another professional don't understand the same terms or the same specifications. In second one, you need to expand your contacts. You need to participate in events, in conference for your professional and others' careers or other themes. This for building connection and relationships with other professionals, for expand your knowledge or your experience in other areas. The third one is the found interdisciplinary collaboration opportunities. Don't close your main or don't close to opportunities in big projects or in projects that's probably not are in a specific of your career, but you can afford or you can work with a little part of this project. This is important because you you wins or you recollect experience of different areas, different persons, and different situations for solve different problems in the future. And the last one and most important is learn it for other persons. Take advantage of the knowledge and experience of your colleagues for other disciplines to expand your skills and your learning, your knowledge. Basically, if you learn from other persons, you learn more things, you learn more point of view, more forms or solve different problems, and you are a more complete professional. Uh,
Okay, there are some examples. The case of Iritango and the Chirahara Bridge highlight the importance of having trained professionals. Iritango showed the need for solid technical skills. Next, please. Next, please. And risk assessment. Next, please. At the Chirahara Bridge, lack of communication and learning among colleagues contribute to the collapse. Uh, this case underscores the need for skills such as critical thinking and effective communication. Strengthening these skills will enable professionals to address ethical issues, fostering an ethical and collaborative learning environment. Next, please. Now, my colleague Daniel talk you some conclusions.
Thank you, Nicholas. For last, our conclusion are the most important of conclusion are professional growth and improvement can be achieved through interdisciplinary interactions in large projects. Effective communication is essential for successful interdisciplinary collaboration, reflecting on lessons learned from interdisciplinary projects as important for continuous professional growth. And last, and the most important, It's maybe you have a diploma or degree of your old school or university, but if you don't still working on that on your career, if you don't still working, sorry, if you don't still learning, if you don't still helping to people, maybe you are a professional, but not a good professional. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.